In this tutorial, we are going to see how to make a horizontal type progression bar. So like this we are going to make. So here you can make different colors, it's your choice depending upon your product requirement. Let's see how to do that. So let's create an image first. Okay. So we have some predefined images sprites which you record for our tutorial. So one was a outer bar and another one is inside the bar progressing system. So we are going to have a bar made for a outside layer, and then for the child we are going to have a bar. So increase the size. Okay, and then change to fill. If you see the fill amount, it need to be vertical since we are moving, sorry, it's horizontal since we are moving from left to right. And then let's try to change the color. Okay, but if you see it should not need to change for outline, so make sure that you need to have different color. Okay, I'm sorry, it need to be in outside, so both need to be separated. Okay, try to change the width of a bar so that you can able to differentiate the color for a bar and the outline. That's why we are doing that. And then let's try to change the outline color to black or some other color which you like to have. Okay, so bar and the outline both have been done. We try to manually to tweak some different colors so that it will look perfect output. Okay, outline and the bar. I'm sorry, I think I changed the name. Okay, this is a bar, it shouldn't be outline, and this is a bar. So now it's fine, I think. Yeah, it's fine. So we'll try to tweak now to make everything perfect color code matching. Okay, I'm just thinking to tweak a little bit different so that it will be matched perfectly with the color codes. Okay, we'll try to change the the camera color. Okay, now it's fine. So let's create a script and then drag and drop to the bar. Once is loaded, okay, open the script. So use a namespace called unityengine.ui. And then we are going to get rect transform. So private rect transform rect. Next we are going to get a image component because we are going to tweak image component at a runtime. So it's needed to get a image component also. So I'm going to have image object. So in start I'm going to get a rect transform of image. Rect equal to get component of rect transform. Okay, and then image component equal to get component of image. I'm sorry, there must be in some issue. Let me check it out. What is the issue? Should not be sprite. Should be get from rect. Yeah, that is the issue. So now it's fine. So it's need to be a image object, not at the same game object. So we already have rect. So it's going to be a image object. Okay. So copy and paste. So everything is fine now. So let's we try to tweak the image object, not a rect. Okay. We'll try to play and see what we want to do exactly in order to move our progression. Okay, so we want to have image dot fill amount should be 0 at the beginning. Okay, so we want to make it move at a runtime. Okay, let's see how it works. Right now it's fine, so we'll try to tweak now. So copy then paste the same thing in update function. Okay, so here I am going to increase slowly. So I'm going to have image object dot fill amount plus time dot delta time. So we are going to gradually increase with the time frame. So with multiply by speed, let's have a variable called float speed and then multiply with speed. So now everything is fine. So at public you can tweak. Yeah, working perfect now. So you can change the speed as per your requirement like this. It's working as per we expected. Okay, so this you can use for a progression or for loading wherever you like to do. It's your choice. Next we'll try to make the loading in that form of a repeated time. If it is loading means we want to have a repeated time till particular process going to finish either fetching a data from a server or something. So at the time we are going to do this kind of system. So image object dot fill amount not equal to 1f, we are going to have this else reset my fill amount to 0. So if it is 1, it's going to reset to 0 every time. So that is a plan. So it keep on loading progressing each and every second. So if we comment this, it will start and finish at 1F. That's it. So depending upon your rules or your loading system, you can use this system in a two ways. It's your choice. So that's it. If you think this video is very helpful for you, please subscribe.